Muscle loss after age 60 isn't inevitable, but most people aren't aware of this. Actually, the problem isn't getting older, it's that the body's needs change. Today, I'm going to tell you about a simple, yet effective habit the Japanese have been practicing for years, getting a small but consistent amount of protein at every meal. And you don't need expensive products to do this. I'll show you 7 powerful protein sources that you can easily find at home and explain step by step how to consume them. A quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. It's important to consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Before we get into the video, I have a small request. Please write in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is right now. I read every single one. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Let's get started. As we age, our bodies can't use protein as efficiently as they used to. Over time, this leads to muscle loss, balance issues, and difficulty with daily activities. Many people think this is a natural part of aging, but the truth is, with proper nutrition, it's possible to significantly slow down this process. Let's start with our first and most powerful protein source, eggs. Eggs are actually one of the most common foods in our kitchens, yet their value is often underestimated. Especially after age 60, the body needs higher quality protein to maintain muscle mass. This is exactly where eggs come into play. Because the protein in eggs is a type the body can use directly. In other words, it has high bioavailability. What does that mean? It means when you eat an egg, the protein inside isn't wasted. It's actually utilized by the muscles. An average egg contains about 6 grams of protein. But what matters here isn't just the quantity, it's the quality. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids muscles need in a balanced way. That's why they're considered the reference protein by many experts. Now, I want to touch on a very important point. Many people either skip breakfast or just get by with tea, coffee, and bread. But when the body starts the day without protein, the muscles aren't adequately supported. In contrast, an egg eaten in the morning provides more balanced energy throughout the day and helps slow muscle loss. You can see this very clearly in Japan. People don't eat large portions, but they make sure to consume small amounts of protein throughout the day. Eggs are an important part of this habit. Additionally, eggs aren't just a source of protein. They also contain many nutrients, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and iron, that become even more important as we age. This supports not only muscle health, but also brain health and energy levels. Another key benefit is this: eggs are easy to digest. Especially when cooked soft, they can be enjoyed comfortably without straining the stomach. If you'd like, you can incorporate this into your daily routine with a very simple recipe: a soft vegetable omelette. Whisk 1 or 2 eggs in a bowl, add some grated zucchini or finely chopped spinach. Add just 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the pan and cook the mixture over low heat. The key point here is, instead of drying it out over high heat, cook it so it stays soft. An omelette prepared this way is easy to chew, is easy to digest, and becomes a highly valuable protein source for your muscles. It may seem simple, but this small habit makes a big difference for your muscle health in the long run. 2. Yogurt. Our second source of protein, yogurt. It's a food we all have at home, but one we often see only as a light snack. But the truth is, especially after age 60, yogurt becomes much more valuable. Because yogurt doesn't just contain protein, it also contains beneficial bacteria that support the digestive system, that is, probiotics. Why is this important? because as we age, the digestive system slows down, and the body may not be able to utilize nutrients as effectively as before. So even if you consume protein, if digestion isn't working properly, the body can't fully benefit from that protein. That's where yogurt comes in. It provides protein and also helps the body utilize that protein more effectively. A bowl of plain yogurt, especially in the evening or as a snack, can be a very balanced option. It's not too heavy, nor does it strain the stomach. While yogurt consumption in Japan isn't as widespread as it is here, fermented foods play a very important role in daily nutrition. This actually follows the same logic, supporting digestion and maximizing the benefits from nutrients. Another key benefit of yogurt is its contribution to bone health. The calcium it contains helps maintain bone density, especially as we age. It is also rich in B vitamins. This provides important support for energy production and overall bodily functions. 3. Fish, our third source of protein. Fish. Small, fatty fish, especially sardines and mackerel, are among the most valuable foods for people over 60. Fish contains high-quality protein. In other words, it provides the body with the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and maintenance. However, there is another very important feature that sets fish apart from other protein sources. That is the omega-3 fatty acids it contains. Omega-3 is not only crucial for heart health, but also extremely important for brain function. As we age, it becomes important not only to protect our muscles, but also our memory and mental performance. Fish is one of the rare foods that supports both muscles and the brain at the same time. Many people prefer red meat, but as we age, heavy protein sources can make digestion more difficult. Fish, on the other hand, is a much lighter alternative. It's easier to digest, doesn't strain the stomach, and is more easily utilized by the body. You can see this very clearly in Japan. People eat fish a few times a week, but they usually prepare it in a very simple and light way. So no frying, no heavy sauces. Instead, they prefer baking, steaming, or light grilling. This actually shows us something. It's not just about what you eat, but how you cook it. Eating fish regularly 2 to 3 times a week can help maintain muscle mass, support heart health, and keep your memory sharp. Fish also contains vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium, many nutrients that are essential for the body. This provides support in many areas, from the immune system to bone health. Light recipe, step by step. Now I'll share a very simple recipe, suitable for everyone. Oven-baked fish with olive oil. Place a portion of fish on a baking sheet. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil over it. Add a little lemon juice. If you like, you can sprinkle a pinch of black pepper or thyme. Baking at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes is sufficient. The goal here isn't to dry out the fish, but to keep it tender. You can serve it with steamed vegetables, zucchini, broccoli, or carrots. A plate prepared this way is both light, balanced, and easy to digest. Especially in the evening, choosing this option instead of heavy meals both improves sleep quality and doesn't strain the body. It might seem simple, but when done regularly, these small habits make a huge difference in the long run. Our fourth source of protein, dried beans. Actually, it's one of the most classic dishes in our cuisine, but it's often seen merely as a main course, and its nutritional value isn't really considered. Yet dried beans are a very powerful food, especially for those over 60. Because they don't just contain protein, they're also quite rich in fiber. Why is this important? Because as we age, the digestive system can slow down. and fiber-rich foods help the intestines function more regularly. So, dried beans both support muscle health and strengthen the digestive system. They also keep you full for a long time. This prevents frequent hunger pangs throughout the day and helps maintain energy balance. Another important point is this: dried beans are a plant-based protein source. So they're a great alternative for those who consume fewer animal products. The minerals they contain, such as magnesium, iron, and folate, play a key role in both muscle function and energy production. In Japanese cuisine as well, legumes are consumed in small portions. The goal remains the same: to get a steady supply of protein without overburdening the stomach. There's an important detail to note here. Instead of eating dried beans in heavy, fatty dishes, prepare them in a lighter way, light recipe. If you like, you can make a much lighter version. Use well pre-cooked dried beans. Add a little olive oil. Add a little cumin, and, if desired, a pinch of salt. If you like, you can also add finely chopped parsley or boiled vegetables. Dried beans prepared this way are much lighter, easier to digest, and don't upset the stomach. Especially in the evening, choosing this lighter version instead of heavy meals can be a much better option. Remember, the same food can be either very heavy or very healthy, depending on how it's prepared. And dried beans, when prepared correctly, are truly a valuable source of protein. Our fifth source of protein: cottage cheese. It's actually a very simple food, but its impact is much greater than you might think. Cottage cheese contains significantly more protein than other types of cheese. It's also low in fat, which makes it lighter and easier to eat. Especially after age 60, the body may have a harder time digesting heavy and fatty foods. This is where cottage cheese offers an excellent alternative. One of its most important features for muscle health is this: cottage cheese contains a slow-digesting protein. What does this mean? It means the protein entering the body is not used all at once, but gradually and consistently over time. This helps keep the muscles nourished for a longer period. Especially when consumed in the evening, it can help reduce muscle loss that may occur during sleep. That's why many athletes often choose cottage cheese. Another key benefit is it's rich in calcium. This provides significant support for bone health. As we age, it's not just about protecting muscles, but also bones. Cottage cheese supports both areas simultaneously, both muscle and bone. While there isn't exactly cottage cheese in Japanese cuisine, similar light, soft, and low-fat cheeses are preferred. It's consumed in small portions, along with vegetables. So it's the same approach: small but balanced, light but nutritious. Now I'll share a very simple and practical recipe: a soft omelette with ricotta cheese. Whisk 1 egg in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ricotta cheese. Add a small amount of olive oil to a skillet and cook the mixture over low heat. The key point here: don't overcook the omelette. Keeping it soft is much better both for digestion and for easy consumption. An omelette prepared this way is high in protein, is gentle on the stomach, and is an excellent choice, especially for breakfast. If you like, you can also enjoy the same ricotta cheese by adding it to salads. This is also a very easy way to add extra protein to your meals. It may seem like a simple food, but when consumed regularly, it makes a significant contribution to maintaining muscle mass. Our sixth protein source: chickpeas. Perhaps one of the simplest, most accessible, yet most powerful plant-based protein sources. Chickpeas are a very important food, especially for those over 60, because they don't just contain protein, They also contain a high amount of fiber. What does this mean? They support muscle health and regulate the digestive system. As we age, one of the most common issues is digestive problems. That's where chickpeas come in. They help the intestines function more regularly and naturally support this process. Additionally, chickpeas keep you full for a long time. This also reduces unnecessary snacking throughout the day and helps maintain energy balance. The minerals they contain, such as magnesium and folate, are crucial for muscle function and energy production. When you look at Japanese cuisine, you'll notice that legumes are typically well cooked, soft, and consumed in a light manner. So the goal remains the same: to provide the body with a steady supply of protein without straining the stomach. There's a very important detail here. Instead of turning chickpeas into heavy meals, consume them in a lighter form. Here's a very simple recipe: homemade chickpea puree. Place the pre-cooked chickpeas in a bowl. Add a small amount of olive oil. Add a little lemon juice. Then blend it until it reaches a smooth consistency. If the consistency is too thick, you can add a little water. Chickpea puree prepared this way is easy to chew, gentle on the stomach, and a very nutritious alternative. If you like, you can spread it on bread or enjoy it with vegetables on the side. It's also an excellent option for those with dental issues. Simple, affordable, and effective. That's exactly what chickpeas are. When consumed regularly, they support both muscle health and the digestive system. Our seventh and final protein source, natural peanut butter. Perhaps a food that many people view as junk food, but when chosen wisely, it's actually a very powerful ally. Peanut butter contains both plant-based protein and healthy fats. This makes it a particularly valuable option for snacks. As we age, it's not just about preserving muscle mass, but also about maintaining balanced energy levels. This is where peanut butter comes into play. Even a small amount keeps you full for a long time, provides energy, and helps prevent sudden hunger pangs. But there's a very important detail here. Not all peanut butter is the same. Many products sold in stores contain added sugar and additives. That's why, when choosing, you must always opt for the natural and sugar-free variety. Products containing only peanuts are the best choice. Another advantage is this: peanut butter is easy to chew. This is a major advantage, especially for people with a decreased appetite or those who have difficulty chewing. However, balance is very important here. Although peanut butter is healthy, it is a high-calorie food. That's why it should be consumed in small portions. Here's a very practical tip: fruit with peanut butter. Spread 1 teaspoon of natural peanut butter on half a banana. You can also enjoy it with a few slices of apple if you like. This little snack contains protein, provides healthy fats, and is a natural source of energy. Plus, it's easy on the stomach, a light yet satisfying alternative. It's especially great for between meals or in the evening as a healthier option instead of heavy meals. Simple yet effective, small but powerful. And perhaps the most important message of this video is exactly this: you don't need complicated things to stay healthy. With simple foods you have at home, especially after age 60, you can support your muscles, bones, and energy. The Japanese approach shows us this: a little but regularly, simple but mindful. Small habits make a huge difference over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Write your city and the current time in the comments. I read every single one. And to keep getting content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.